know that your phone is more than just a device for chatting or calling? Hey, I'm going to share with you how you can start to make money with that phone that you are holding right now. Yeah, so regardless of your location, your age, or even your gender. See, if you want to learn how to make money online, hey, you need to start understanding your target market, yes, and which platforms they hang on. Don't forget about things like free e-commerce tools, user-generated content, messaging apps, and chat box. Yes, so there are tools like HubSpot, free CRM, and free email marketing software. So guys, the first thing you should do is to build your online presence. You see that your Instagram page that you have, start posting on it consistently. Yes, so build your presence on each website, whether on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube. Guys, there are platforms like Shopify that can help you unify all of your selling channels. Do you know that you can also rent out your stuff? Yes. Have you heard of Turo.com? Do you know that you can rent out your cars? Yes, so instead of leaving it in the garage, especially now that people now work remotely and you probably use your car maybe once in a week, you can put your car out on Turo. Yes, Turo is a platform that helps you rent out your cars to users, and then after using it for a period of time, they will return the car. Renting out your cars can even pay your rent every month. Yes, so the income you get from renting out your car on Turo can pay your rent for you every month. So that gives you more disposable income. What are we talking about here, guys? So this is not like Uber or like Lyft. Yes, so maybe you don't want to drive around doing chores and delivery for others. It's not Uber Eats. And maybe you hate driving so much that your car sits down in your garage 80% of the time. Why not make that extra income by renting it out on Turo? Yes, and making some extra cash. While you're at it, you can also rent out the new vacant parking space. You know, you can also rent out your parking space. There's a website called justpark.com. Yes, so do you have a spare bike or one that you hardly use? Do you know you can also rent out your spare bike on a website called Splinlister? Yes, so these days, see, you can rent out practically everything that you own, yeah, including the shirts that you are wearing. Don't stop at the shirt too. You can actually rent out your entire wardrobe, including shoes, handbags, and even accessories. You can use StyleLend. StyleLend.com is a website where you can rent out your stuff. See, once your home is clutter-free, you realize that you can even rent out one of your rooms in your house. I'm telling you. Yes, guys, there are websites, and I'm sure you've heard of Airbnb before. Yes, you can do that. I'm telling you. There was someone that actually got involved with Airbnb hosting when she was just 26 years old. Just 3 years later, at the age of 29, she was already financially independent and capable of early retirement. Yeah, so do you know that there's someone I also know that rented out the spare room in her apartment. She also rented out her own room. The couch, I'm telling you, she couch surfed with her friends, and then she acquired more properties and rented those ones out too through Airbnb. Today, she owns 5 properties and she helps manage 15 more. Guys, to make money, to make extra money renting out your goods, make sure that you take lots and lots of high quality pictures, because they can lead to faster rentals and of course higher rates. And you'll also need to create detailed and engaging product descriptions, because the more information people have, the more likely they are to be interested. So which ad is more appealing? A studio apartment with 1 picture, or 24 pictures, yes, and a more detailed description. Guys, be sure to always keep an eye on up-to-date schedule of all your rentals. You don't want to accidentally rent out your car when you were also supposed to go on a trip. So please make sure that you blot out dates that are really, really important for you. Now, do you know that you can also make money through dropshipping? Yes, it's a traditional e-commerce store that requires you to hire employees, store products, maintain inventories, and so much more. Today, you can actually ditch all that. Yes, ditch all that. With dropshipping, you can sell your products minus the hassles that comes with offering traditional order fulfillment services. Yes, and without even keeping inventory, without holding any inventory. See, there's no need to even hire a team. You don't need any investment in shipping technology. Here is how a typical dropshipping business model works. You create a website, upload pictures of your products with their prices. Now the customer buys the products and pays you online. You keep a margin for yourself and forward the rest of the order to the manufacturer, or dropshipping supplier that you have partnered with. Now the manufacturer delivers the products to the customer to complete the order. Yes, in other words, Dropshipping requires you to act like a mediator between the consumer and the supplier. In fact, dropshipping is very easy to start. It's easy to sustain and to also yield significant profits. There are multiple benefits of dropshipping. Number one, there's no substantial investments at the start. No need to rent anything or hire anything. You don't need to pay for any warehouse since the manufacturer stores the products and you don't have to deliver the products yourself. And you don't need to incur transport expenses. Direct contact with the customers helps you build your own brand image, and there are plenty of dropshipping successes that you can look out to for inspiration. I mean, let's look at Wayfair for example. Guys, Wayfair grew at a rate of 25% to 35% year over year. In fact, they once racked up a revenue of $4 million in one single day. Without a doubt, their suppliers are one of the essential parts of their dropshipping business. Now, have you heard of Spocket? Spocket is an online dropshipping marketplace that allows you to find and connect with the US and EU based suppliers. You can tie up platforms like these ones, and you can get access to the very best products to sell from thousands of dropshipping suppliers and manufacturers all over the world, and it is global. I mean, in the most real sense. So if you're looking to build a successful dropshipping business, then there are lots and lots of ways to, get it started. Now, another way to start making money is by hosting webinars. Yes, hosting webinars is terrific for a variety of reasons. Number one, they help you drive traction to your website. They help you increase your sales. Not just sales, they even help you make money. Yes, using webinars without any products. Guys, you can host webinars and earn money through affiliate links. This way you can even make money. You can refer useful products to your audience that will be genuinely helpful for them without even selling your own product, because it's like promoting affiliate links on your blog. I mean, if you look at the link in my description, you'll find an affiliate link that leads to StreamYard, to TubeBuddy, and a host of others. So you need to identify the products that you like to recommend to your audience and then create an impressive and persuading presentation to deliver to your potential viewers. An average webinar should be around 45 minutes or 1 hour, where you should ideally speak for half an hour and leave about 10 to 15 minutes for question and answer session with your audience. Now, Q&A helps in one-on-one interaction, and it also helps attendees get the answers that they crave. Now, even statistics suggest that 92% of live webinar attendees want a live Q&A session at the end. Now, do you know that there was someone that made $10,000 in the first 2 hours after their first webinar? And here is how they made their first webinar a massive success. So the first thing they did was that they optimized their landing page. They used landing page builders like Unbounce. Yes, they got new users signed up daily by adding an invite link to the webinar on their email signatures. They sent out automated email campaigns, and you can use these email marketing tools to also help you automate your email campaigns. You can answer all the critical questions of your audience, offer a promo code or a discount at the end. To make your webinar a success, you will need the assistance of probably a suitable webinar hosting platforms. Now, there is one called Webinar Jam. It comes with super fast speed. It's 100% user friendly, and it has a business oriented approach because it offers features like automation, provision for reminder emails, integrations, registrations, and a whole lot more. You can go through Webinar Jam review to make a better informed decision. Now, after your webinar, make sure that you send a short personalized email within 24 hours. I do webinars every month too, and I send an email in 5 minutes. 5 minutes after it's already automated, So send them an email to people that registered and even to people that did not show up, those that are registered and didn't show up. Yes, once you get the hang of it, you'll be hosting webinars that can be very rewarding. So whether you're looking to sell your own products or even promote affiliate, links, create webinars that would convert, where you can get lead generation and of course converted to clients. So guys, you can make money from the comfort of your home. I have a lot to share with you guys. The internet, it's one of the biggest resources that we have today, one of the most rewarding resources, in the sense that you don't have to be in a place physically before you can start to make money, before you get paid, or to work, go to work physically. No, you don't necessarily have to do that. Now you can work from the comfort of your home and get paid. Yes, so guys, and that is it for today. If you have any question for me, let me know in the comments. If you have not introduced yourself yet, my God is watching you. Go ahead and introduce yourself. Don't like this girl that you're seeing. Introduce yourself in the comments. I'd like to know your meeting, where in the world are you tuning in from. And of course, guys, here is how to enter for my giveaway. Now, guys, I'm giving away $100. Yes, cash. So what we are gonna do is this. We have finally launched our Telegram community. Please go ahead and invite 50 of your friends into my Telegram community. Invite 50 of them. Come back to this video and let me know how many people you have added. Not how many people you send the link to. So you can send the link to 200 people, 250, 500 people. Hopefully 50 people will join the group. So once you are sure that 50 people have joined, you will come back to this video. Let me know how many people you added, and then I'm going to send you an email, ask for your details and your bank details, and I will send you the money. I can send it through Zelle, to PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Western Union, anywhere in the world. I'm going to send you the $100 cash gift. So guys, that is it for today. If you have any question for me, let me know in the comments. You guys asked and we listened. You asked for how to make money online videos, and here we are today. Thank you all so much for watching all the way to the very end. I remain your girl Miriam. In case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing, and I'm so proud of you. All right, take care of yourselves, guys, and God bless you. Take care, guys. Bye for now.
Mariam Adepaju.